Morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning, and I'm going on a little nature walk. Yeah, just nature. See on the bike or the path, walking path. And the first thing I want to show you is these flowers. Yeah, see these purple flowers just blowing in the wind. And there's these berries. Yeah, see the berries? Yeah. And there's more here. Thorns. See the thorns? Yeah. And there's a that dandelion. Yeah. There's more berries there too, yeah. Okay, I'll continue on my nature walk. See how nice it is today? It's beautiful. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. A little cloudy, yeah, windy, a little windy. And I brought some bread to feed the birds. Somebody feed the birds. Oh, there's a bunch of glass on the path to walk around. See, glass on the path. Yeah, somebody smashed the bottle right there. Yeah. I'm gonna continue go down the path. So I'm gonna go under. There's the train bridge. So I'm going under the train bridge right now. See the train bridge? Oh, and there's more flowers here. I'll show you the flowers. See those flowers? Purple flowers. They look beautiful, yeah. There's more of those berries, yeah. Yeah, there's those berries. They're all dried up. Some more flowers down there. Yeah, I can hear the birds. Yeah. And there I am. There's the train bridge. And I'm gonna go under. I'm gonna go under the car bridge, I guess. Everything else bridge, yeah. Got cars and trucks. And better go under it. There. There's lots of birds down there. Oh. But I'm looking for seagulls to feed, yeah. Yeah. So there's the bridge. There's the bridge. Oh, look at this. Here's us. See? It's got the rain on it still. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. See it blowing? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's nice. And here's some more flowers. Oh, that's a dandelion. Here. Some purple flowers. There's these little flowers. Oh yeah, those are beautiful. Yeah. Little bunches. Yeah. Yeah. Those look beautiful, yeah. There's quite a bit of them. There's some dandelions. See? Dandelions. Some purple little trees. Some more dandelions. Yeah. It's back to me, yeah. See the bridge? Yeah. There's the bridge. Both bridges. There's the flag. Canada flag. Yeah, and there's me. So I'm gonna continue walking. Oh, there's more. There's more flowers up here. See, look at these ones. Oh yeah, they're just blowing in the wind. And these little things, see? And then there's more up there on that tree. More little flowers, yeah. I wonder what these are called, but these things. what kind of tree that is with these little pods on them. Yeah, see? Yeah, the tree's full of them. Yeah, little pods, see? Yeah. Yeah, that's neat. Yeah, tree like that. Oh, and there's more flowers here. Wildflowers. See, there's purple ones. Look at how beautiful those purple ones are. The dandelion. But those are beautiful purple flowers, yeah. Yeah, see? They're all growing on the side of the path. Yeah. That's beautiful flowers, yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go look for a bench so I can feed some seagulls. Yeah. See how nice it is? Oh, it's not. It's cloudy, a little cloudy. Okay. A little cloudy today, yeah. But it's nice, yeah. It's not hot. It's a nice day to go for a walk. Yeah. See a bunch of birds in the water. Wonder if I'll show you fast. See, they're just flying around. Wonder if they're catching fish. They must be, yeah. Yeah, because there's lots of them. Yeah, lots of them. One's floating there. Yeah, they're just flying around, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're just flying. They must be catching something. Eating something. Yeah. So I'm gonna find a bench and then feed some seagulls. Yeah. Oh, there's the water, there's the river. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of birds on the river. Black and white, gray birds. These diving. But eating something. Yeah, there's lots of them out there. Oh, there's lots of ravens. Yeah, ravens and everything. They're eating something. I wonder if you can see them. You see them all there? I think so. Better take another. Where are they? You see them all? They're eating something on the gliding and diving in. Maybe bugs or something. Yeah. There's quite a bit of them, yeah. Flying, eating. Yeah, there's a couple, yeah. There's lots of them flying and eating something on the river. So I'm coming up to a bench just about. And I'm going to try to feed some seagulls some bread. I wonder if they'll come right away, but yeah, they're just enjoying the scenery next to the river. And here's the park. See the park? And there's the river again. I'm going to go feed the birds. don't see no seagulls, but there must be some out. Yeah. Sit at this bench, I think. Or the next bench, yeah. And feed the seagulls. I don't know which bench, this bench, or that bench, or the next bench. I don't know. Maybe I'll sit at this bench. Yeah, I'll go sit right here. Wonder if they'll come right away, the seagulls. I don't see any. Oh, this bench is wet still. Yeah, it's kind of wet. Maybe I'll go back to the other bench. Oh no, this bench is good. I just don't want to get wet. Yeah, I'll sit here. Yeah, I shouldn't get that wet. Yeah. Then I'm gonna get some bread out and see if a seagull will come. I don't know. Oh, get the bread. Yeah, I'm getting it out. Put my camera down for a minute. Oh, I'll have to adjust it. Oh, there. I'll start throwing bread out, see if I can get a seagull to come. I don't know. I don't see any. None came yet. I don't see none. No. I think they're all eating. I didn't see one seagull yet. Yeah, no seagulls yet. Oh, there's a couple. No seagulls yet. Maybe they're not hungry today. The seagulls. Yeah, usually there's lots here. Oh, here's one. I see one coming. There's one here. Oh, there they come. Yeah, there's a couple. Yeah, there they come. Now they're gonna come and eat the bread. There they go. Took a while for them to come this time. Yeah. Now they can eat the bread up. Yeah. Eat all the bread. There's some more. Yeah. Yeah, there's some more coming. Oh, they don't want to pick it up. It's not very many today. Oh, they're fighting. Oh, there's a couple more. There's one more. Here you go. Ah, there they come now. There, I put all the bread out. Now see how many. Oh, there's one. They don't want to land. I don't know why. Maybe I'm too close. It's a crow. Oh, there's one. Oh, he's got a bread. I think I'm too close. I'm gonna go. I'll go throw my bag away, then move a little bit. See if they come and eat the bread. Oh, it's windy. Oh yeah. There they came. Now they're eating the bread, see? Yeah, they're all eating the bread now. Seagulls. Taking the bread, yeah. Yeah, there they go. Yeah, I was sitting too close, I think. Yeah, to the seagulls, yeah. They're gonna eat all that bread. Okay. Thanks for watching, whoever watches. That's my Sunday morning nature walk. Bye. Have a good Sunday. Bye.